Papa Cuckoo, I saw me tell him no, in the name of Jesus, no, not in the name of Judas,
Welcome to Zimmusic 263. We've got some shocking news from the NAMA 2024 awards. Tahle Wedzinza didn't win the Outstanding Music Video of the YEAR NAMA award. Yes, you heard it right. The award was announced for Tahle Wedzinza's Damage, but it wasn't Tahle who won. According to a press statement from her team, the application in question was submitted by the film producer Jonathan Samakanj in his capacity as a filmmaker and not by Tahle Wedzinza in her capacity as a musician. That's right, the award-winning video isn't even on YouTube. It's a surprising turn of events that has left many in the music industry scratching their heads. But wait, there's more. We've got some insights from the acting director of the National Arts Council, Josiah Kasina, about Tahle Wedzinza's award.
For this video is not on YouTube. People are asking, it's the best work ever.
People have to understand that it's not the young lady who submitted NAMA. It's a video that was submitted by Mr. Sam Khan, who is the director of the video. It's not him, so it's not her. But it was identified within the film subsector that this video is good by the adjudicators. Therefore, it was nominated. It's not about her. So I want to protect the young lady and say she never submitted anything to National Arts Council for her work. It was submitted under the category of film.
But the requirements for submission were saying that these are published works. Meaning so the question that people have is, where's the publishing?
What I can simply say is we will need to find out exactly where they are published. What I do know, and what I've been communicated is by my education chair committee, that these works have been published on the circuits, on certain film festivals. That's what I've heard. Yes.
All right. So, is it possible? If I'm not saying NAMA would do this, but is it possible for someone who has been awarded to have the prize withdrawn, especially after an audit has been done?
Tahle remains committed to her craft and the celebration of Zimbabwean and African artistry. She has already won 2 international awards through collaborative efforts in film. So, what does this mean for the music industry in Zimbabwe? And how will this affect future awards? We'll be exploring these questions and more in our upcoming videos. Remember, not everything that glitters is gold. Stay tuned to Zimmusic 263 for all your worldly trends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.